The place behind me is the Fazer Experience Visitor Center. So we're gonna go there next. Oh, and remember to subscribe, like, comment my videos so I can make more of this. Okay, now let's go. So the first thing I found is the Fazer Experience shop. So they should have all of the latest things that the Fazer is making. Let's go. Oh, this is a heaven for chocoholic like me. Look at this. Liquids, Turkish peppers, Panther, Tutti Frutti with choco rings, candies. They have all of the brands, of course, that they're making. Remix, Marianne, Omar, one of my favorite ones. Laya, this is something from everybody's childhood in Finland. These candies. Called also the fox candies. These are the best of Fazer from the old times. They have been around in Finland forever. Dumble, how do you call it? Dumble, I don't know. Suffeli, Fazerina, Pätkis. Oh my god, look at this. The whole section of geisha chocolate. One of my absolute favorites. Look at this. Thank you very much. I think I'm gonna buy one. Oh, this is something new I haven't seen before. This is Geisha Crispy. Delightful minis. Chocolate wafer with hazelnut nougat filling. Oh my god. Look what I found. Why buy this one if you could have this? I probably found the most expensive thing in this shop is this glass thing that is called glass art, and it's worth of 300 euros. Okay, I will take this candy bar that is 55 cents instead. Thank you. This is the section of porridge and muesli. Alku means the beginning, and they have so many different flavors. You can find strawberry with cocoa granola. You can have a blueberry pie, cherry, whatever you like, and they keep going on and 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 on. So this section over here is biscuits. All of the biscuits that Fazer is making. You can have some Moomins and Carnival, Fasupala, that is chocolate, Tosca caramel, creamy coconut, and these tins are very nice with Moomins as well, and full of candies inside. This is the tropical garden of Fazer Center, and it's very hot. But it's a nice idea. You can see all of the plants that they are using for chocolate. So this is the broad history of Fazer. The first guy over here is Karl Fazer, founder of the company.
Karl Fazer was born on the 17th of September in 1891 when he, at the age of 25, opened his first French-Russian café on Kulbikatu Street in Helsinki. In reality, he was born in 1866, but in this story, a person is born when their dreams come true.
This one over here is Fazer's own water, because they have a spring underneath, so you can have fresh water that you can find anywhere else. So here is the best part of the whole tour. It's all of the Fazer candies and you can taste all of them. Look at these bars. It's full of chocolate bars, little mini bars, and all of these. I like this one, I like this one, I like this one. This is one of my favorite. This one. Oh my god. This is Julia, one of the things that I love on the Christmas time. It has marmalade and some chocolate inside. So nice. So now I found one of the oldest candies, actually the oldest candy of Fazer store. It's called Pihlaja, and it's also called the fox candy, and it's marmalade. I never seen this Pätkis crunchy before, so now I have a perfect opportunity to taste it. This place over here is the taste forest. So you can taste all of the different chocolates and it's amazing. Such a nice smell of fresh liquids. Oh my god. These are the fresh fruits that the chocolate is made of. So actually, when you eat a lot of chocolate, it's a fruit salad. There is a tip of diet for every one of you. They told me that there is also a gift bag that you can get after the tour. I'm gonna go and check out what's in my gift bag now. Here's the gift bag after the tour. We have some cinnamon buns, some candies, some cookies, snack bar and chocolate, and some silly little candies for the well-being of your team. So, thank you very much, Fazer. And this place over here is a Fazer Café. It's a small cafe that you can have brunch and lunch, and they have some delicious salads and some sandwiches you can make by yourself. Of course, they have all of Fazer products. And over here as well, Karelian pies, because we're in Finland. Some fresh bread. It's delicious, and look at these cakes. Fresh cakes from the bakery. Also ready-made sandwiches if you wish for those. And here you can find some more fresh buns and croissants. Oh my god, I think I'm in heaven. I took the brunch and we have some ham, salmon, salads, shrimps, cucumbers, some croutons. Over here you can find the warm foods and some smoothies, waters, juices. I absolutely love these brands. They have so many things and they're all very fresh. So yes, please, let's go to eat. This is my first dish. I have some salads and croutons, some shrimps, salmon, and salad again with some mozzarella. It looks delicious. And of course I have to try some Karelian pies. And on this next plate I have some meatballs, some veggies, pie and chili mayo. I'm absolutely full now, but I really have to taste the dessert because it's one of the best parts of this brunch. So this is the dessert table, some amazing cakes from Fazer. Look at this, it's full of berries. We have some chocolates and cookies. Of course something fresh, as a melon. And then some cheeses. And here you can see the dessert cakes. I couldn't control myself, so there's 3 of them and some candies. I'm so happy visiting the Fazer exhibition center, and I'm full of tasty foods and tasty candies, and I will definitely come back with my friends and family. And on this next plate And here is my gift bag after the tour. Oh. Because I never seen this Pätkis crunchy. Remember to subscribe my channel. Link, put your comment down below. I'm very bad with this. So remember to subscribe my channel, leave your comment down below, push the bell sign, whatever people do. Follow me, please. I need some people like you to watch me so I can travel around the world. And thank you, bye.